Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and acting fast. First, back up photos, contacts, and any app data because you may need to reset later. Once done, check settings right arrow battery to identify the biggest battery consumers so you know what to target. Next, enable battery saver and turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or location when not needed. These steps immediately reduce drain while you move on to app and system fixes. Now you dig into the middlework. Remove the apps causing constant wake-ups. Force stop or uninstall the top battery hogs you just identified, and clear their cache to remove corrupt data that can force repeated background work. Make sure all apps and Android itself are updated, because fixes often reduce power use. Then reboot into safe mode. If battery life improves there, you know a third-party app is the culprit. Remove recent installs. Finish by deciding between a software or hardware fix. If rogue apps and updates didn't help, perform a factory reset and reinstall only essential apps. This removes deep system misconfigurations. If the phone is several years old or battery health is poor, replace the battery. This often solves persistent rapid drain. If problems continue, run built-in diagnostics or contact OEM support. If you hit trouble, check battery health percentages and test with safe mode to isolate cause before more invasive steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.